Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Prima. This is a box of not noodles, but noodle-related cool things. I've got Mimi to help me unbox these things, so let's take a look. Ooh! So first off, we've got this nice little reusable bag. Very cool, thank you. And then we've got this card. So, from what I gathered, if you're in Singapore and you bought like any of these, or you bought all of them, I don't know exactly, it probably says on here, but you would get a little figurine. I don't know, but they're blind boxes. And they have plush little guys on there. So, yeah, this sounds fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we've got 7 of them.
That's cool.
So here's what, we'll put it under the camera up above. So, it looks like there are 6 different ones. Is that what I'm getting here? Laksa blind box. That's cool. Oh no, LaMian blind box. There are 7. I wonder if there are 7 different ones that we got. That'd be cool.
Hopefully we got the mystery also.
The mystery. You want to open this one?
Sure.
Here.
There we go. It's kind of like opening a Labubu box.
A Labubu?
Yes, a Labubu.
You're all about the Labubus.
Yes.
What are we getting there? Oh wow, it's in a bag. Is there anything else in there?
No.
No. Okay.
I was
So
wondering if
put it right here so people can see it when you open it.
Okay.
Okay, watch here. See where you're at. Yeah. There you go.
Okay, where is the opening? Let's see at the bottom if there's an opening.
How about like there? There you go.
Oh, that's cute. He's a cute little guy.
Oh, let me check him out. Yeah, he's holding a bowl of noodles. Oh, he's holding the chili crab one. Oh, wow. Check that out. He's holding a bowl of chili crab. That's cool. So we got... Oh, and it's a merlion.
That's cute.
See, you can tell by the tail. It's the merlion. That's cool. Wow.
I think all of them are a merlion.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
They're
they
from
all
Singapore. Cool. Well, let's put this guy right here.
This is a yellow one. And I have a hook, just like a Labubu.
Cool. That's really cool. I guess we can use this one, just bag for trash.
Okay.
I want to open one now. We can take turns.
Okay.
All right. It's funny because I'm pretty blind, so it's like it kind of makes sense for me to be doing a blind box, right? All right. Anyways, no tough audience today. That's all right. Okay. And we've got it's wow. What kind's that?
It says it's the curry one.
This is the curry one?
Yeah.
Right.
This is actually the black pepper crab.
This one is?
No, this one.
Oh, that one was black pepper crab, and this one's curry with the big chicken leg in it?
Yeah. And you can flip their little bowls like this, so then they can
Oh, it
just
says
keep
it.
holding.
It says on his little thing right there.
Yeah.
It says curry LaMian right there. Rad. So we got curry and black pepper.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm getting? Okay. You're next.
Okay.
I'm ready with the sizz. So we're using this camera in front of me. I think I need to get new batteries in it for it. I'm hoping that it doesn't just like quit while we're doing this.
Snip.
Excellent. That one's different too. We must have gotten each one. Thank you.
We got chili crab.
Chili crab. Here, let me see him.
He's a cute.
Wow.
Bro.
Yeah. Chili crab. Check that out. Very cool. All right. So it's my turn?
Yep.
Excellent. Why don't we put them in the box here, over here for now, and then we can line them all up when we're done. And we'll have a lineup of Singaporean blind box stuffies. This is weird. I don't know. I've never done an unboxing like this. I have actually gotten stuffed animal things before that came from noodle companies. It's been a while though. This is by far the most amazing set I've seen yet. And we have Prima Taste. Laksa. This is my favorite.
And it's the one on the box.
Ah. Yeah, it's holding the bowl of laksa. That sounds good. I really like their laksa. I mean, it's been number one on my top 10 for quite a while, and it definitely a deserved spot, that's for sure.
I wonder which one is the special edition.
I don't know. Maybe they're
Hopefully-
coming out with a new variety or something.
Hopefully we get the special edition.
Well, there's 7 of them, and there should be 7 in all for that, right? So, what are we on, number 4?
If you include the secret, then
Maybe. Okay. Gotta roll on because of that camera battery. I'm worried that it's gonna poop out on us. And we don't want pooping camera batteries, that's for sure. Oops. Alright. There you go.
and I got
That is prawn soup, LaMian.
who's a cutie?
Yeah, put them under the camera
Cute little
there.
cutie.
Yeah, like that. There he is.
Cutie.
Prawn soup. He's winking. Cool. All right, we're down to 2. My turn. All right, what do we have here? Whoa, this one is special edition. I don't know what's in that one. That looks good.
Yeah, it looks tasty.
But this guy's just called special edition.
He's a cutie. A cutie.
Cool. And finally, you get to do the last one.
Okay. before I open this one, we have the chili crab.
Oh no, just open it. Just
Okay.
open it. You're good.
Here.
We'll line them up at the end. Don't worry.
Okay. And this one is fish soup.
Fish soup. There we go. That finishes the whole set. Wow, this is pretty cool. Let's put them under the camera so people can see me's little fish soup. Fish soup looks sleepy.
Yes.
All right. Well, check that out. That's a lot of stuffed goodness right there. Thank you very much to the folks over at Prima Taste for sending this over. This is cool. Wow, a whole set of laksa and curry and chili crab and fish soup and prawn and special edition and all that. That's rad. Cool. Are you happy?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles and your stuffed blind box things.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.